Hello everyone. Question is, what does the definition of done improve? Choose all that apply. Option A, quality measures. Option B, shared understanding. Option C, clarity of conventions, standards or guidelines across the organization. Option D, it helps identify when an increment is done. Option E, transparency. Correct answer is option A, B, C, D, and option E. Question is, technical debt is the sole concern of the development team. As a Scrum Master, do you agree with this statement? Why or why not? Answer is do not agree. Technical debt influences the agility, delivery, and quality of the product. The more technical debt is created, the harder it becomes to add to the product, eventually slowing down development to a near halt. This makes it everyone's concern. When you are no longer able to deliver working software, the whole of the organization and its customers suffer. The developers of the Scrum team is the one responsible for knowing when the technical debt occurs. However, it's everyone's concern to keep the debt within acceptable limits by addressing it during sprints. For the product owner and stakeholders, this means not all work in a sprint will add new functionality to the product. Technical debt harms transparency. It is dangerous for a software product development if not addressed properly, since it leads to assumptions that can impact the quality and progress of the product. Detail observe that technical debt is an inevitable situation that happens when developing software. However, it must be addressed and taken care of. For this question, try to use your own or experience to enhance the quality of your answer. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Now the question is, describe the difference between a feature and component teams and how they hold up when viewed from the perspective of the Scrum Guide. Answer is feature teams work across functionality on an end user valuable part of the product. For example, the search function of a website or a list of images. Component teams work on layer of the product. For example, the database team works on the database containing the website data. The front-end team develops the user interface part of the website. From a Scrum perspective, cross-functional teams are preferred as they can deliver front-to-back working products within their team. Delivering valuable working products almost always involves several layers or components to deliver one feature. It is stated in the Scrum Guide. Scrum teams are cross-functional, meaning the members have all the skills necessary to create value each sprint. They are also self-managing, meaning they internally decide who does what, when, and how. Detail. Cross-functional and self-managing teams are preferred in Scrum since they are equipped with the skills and abilities to develop and deliver working products. Question is, what is meant by a team or organization practicing zombie or mechanical Scrum? Answer is mechanical or zombie Scrum is focused on following the rules, going through the motions, perhaps having the roles and events, but without the heart of Scrum. Practicing real Scrum instead focuses on being value-driven, focusing on goals and impact. The Scrum core values of courage, focus, commitment, respect, and openness, continuous improvement, and delighting stakeholders and end users. Real Scrum also acknowledges that Scrum is a framework that leaves room for discovering additional practices that help support these core values. Detail. In case you have your own experience in those scenarios, you can describe them to help sustain your answer. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.